Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to learn probability. Actually, probability is a vast branch of mathematics, but today we will just only cover the topic probability line. Okay, so stay with me and watch the full video. Aim of the session is to use probability to show that some events are more likely to occur than others. Likelihood. What is likelihood? Likelihood is an event. Of an event is called the probability of an event. It means that probability is likelihood of an event, or probability is the measurement of chances. And probability, we learn about the chances of the occurrence of an event. Some events are more likely to occur than others. Events that are definitely going to happen are called certain. Okay, on probability line, this is a probability line. Rightmost is 1, whereas thumb is there. It is also, in English we can say 1 is a certain, 0 is impossible, and the midpoint, which is even chance, it is a 50-50% chances. It means that half chances are there. The probability will be even chance. Less than half chances but more than 0 chances is like unlikely, okay, or less likely. And more than 50% chance and less than certain are called likely or more likely. Okay, so keep in your mind this probability line, keep in your mind, and then understand this. If the events are definitely going to happen, these events will be called certain, and the probability will be 1 or certain simply. Example, one day we will die. Yes, everyone will die one day, so its probability will be certain. Events that are definitely not going to be happen are described as impossible. Example, I will live forever. Who will live forever? Okay, no one can live forever, so it is impossible to live forever. So its probability in English is impossible, in percent is 0%, and numbers is 0. Okay, and if the probability have 50-50% chances, that is called even chance. But the probability, other events may be likely or unlikely. If an event is impossible or if an event is certain, so either from 0 to 1 there is a other chances lies between 0 and 1. It is between impossible and certain. So that are 3 chances, namely even chance, unlikely, and likely. The probability of it raining in England in summer is likely. Yes, in summer, the whole year, probability of the raining in the England is more than 50%. So it is likely. Its chances are more than 50. Either it is 60%, 70, 80, 99%. If it is not 100%, if 99% are the chances are, then that will be called likely or more likely. Okay, but if the chances are 100%, simply it is called certain. The probability of winning the national lottery is unlikely. Now there is a trick. If there is a competition between two people, okay, then there is a 50-50% chance that one can win and one can lose. But here is a national lottery. If I am buying the national lottery and I have a lot of people against me, thousands and the thousands or the hundreds of the thousands people against me, then my chances are not 0% but more than 0%, but not 50%. It's less than 50%, because if I have only one people against me, then my chances are 50-50. But the whole country will buy the ticket, will buy the lottery, then my chances are more than 0% but less than 50%. So the probability is unlikely. Decide whether the following events are impossible, unlikely, certain, or certain. A. It will snow on Mount Everest next year. Yes, definitely its probability is certain. On Mount Everest the whole year, always there is it is snowing. Okay. The canteen at a factory serves food for lunch. Likely. Okay, it is there are more than 50% chance that we can get a food in our factory, in our canteen. Okay, you win the first prize in a competition. Same problem, same thing which I told you previously, that in a competition we have to compete not with only one person, but with the either with the whole class, either with the whole school, either with the whole country, or either with the whole world. So there are more than one competitors, more than one people who are against me or you, then the chances of winning is unlikely. So here will be unlikely. There will be a cure for cancer in the next year. Actually, I cannot put here impossible, but according to this problem, there should be impossible in some fill in the blanks, in some blanks. So it is not impossible because nothing is impossible for science nowadays. You know, in recent days, in recent months, there was a pandemic. There is actually a pandemic, but there is a cure. Now there is a cure for pandemic, but it is not impossible to find the cure of cancer. But the chances are very much high that it is impossible. So I can put here impossible, but more probably and the more appropriate, most appropriate answer is unlikely. Okay, not impossible. Now all the world's governments will agree to reduce carbon emissions. Yes, every government of every country can agree to do not lose or emit carbon emissions, carbon rays. Okay, so here the chances are likely every government will surely agree to reduce carbon emissions. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept of probability line, and there is, I think, one just one you have to one thing is there. Always probability lies between 0 and 1, because less than 0 it means less than impossible. There is nothing less than impossible. Impossible means full stop impossible. And if there is certain or sure, then there is nothing more than sure, okay, or more than certain. That's why probability lies always between 0 and 1, or 0% and 100%. Okay. Now A will be placed where? When you throw an ordinary coin, that will show heads. Now here is the 50% chance. There is a even chance. Okay, coin has only two sides, head and tail. So if I throw a coin, an ordinary coin, either it will show head, either it will show tail. So there is a 50% chance of head and tail too. So the probability is even chance right now. B, if you live a healthy life, you will reach the age of 60. If you will live the healthy life, yes, we have a lot of chances that if we eat good food, healthy food, we do exercises, then we have a lot of chances to live not forever, but more than 60 years. Okay? So likely. C, it means that A will be there, okay, and B will be there. Now C, where you buy a raffle ticket, you will win. C is definitely there because less than 50% chances. There is also a ticket problem which I told you previously. Water will freeze at 100 centigrade. D will be impossible because at 100 centigrade water will boil, not freeze. So students, I think you have understood now everything about probability line, and if the sentence or the event is given to you, will be given to you in any exam or test, you can easily put the 5 names. You can easily choose the one name from the 5 names. 5 names are likely, unlikely, impossible, certain, and even chance. Stay with me for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.